Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Matthew here from MRKWP. I've been doing SEO on sites for years, and one of the most important things you can understand is how to tell Google what's on your web pages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tell Google about your frequently asked questions, or FAQs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Block plugin, how to put FAQ data on your pages, and then how to validate it and make sure it's being picked up by Google and the Google crawler. Let's jump on into this video and we'll show you how this works. So when it comes to doing FAQ data, you can see here that this is the kind of result that we want. HubSpot has what is Gravity Forms and how to use Gravity Forms, just like that. So this rich data, how do you get it and how do you see it on your web pages? Well, you need to use an FAQ tool. So you can see on this page here that I have, if I go and edit this guide and I look at my content, as I scroll down, I've got the Yoast FAQ element. This here is putting an FAQ item inside my blocks. You'll need some sort of plugin to be able to do this. Depending on your page builder will depend on how that shows up, but this has FAQ. So what that means is it has structured data inside of it. So how do I test that? Well, if you're using WordPress and you're using Yoast, you can click on the Yoast icon, go to the Analyze This page, and go to Google Rich Results Text. This gets the URL and tests it live inside the Rich Result Text area. This will then tell you if you have valid FAQ text or if there's something wrong with the way that you've implemented schematic data on your web page. And then we can see that we have 3 valid items detected. I've got breadcrumbs, an FAQ, and a site link search box. If I click on FAQ here, we can see that I've got 1 valid item detected on the page. And we can see that the monitor FAQ search results is there and all that information is inside there. So that's got all that data all marked up, showing me what's going on within that. And we can see when the page was last crawled successfully. That's how you validate directly from WordPress, is from this tool. Now, if you don't have that tool, or there's another way that you need to be able to test it. So let's take a look at this page here. This page from HubSpot has an FAQ inside of it. So I can go to this Schema Markup tool. Now, if you don't want to use Google, you can use the Schema Markup validator from schema.org. So we'll take a look at that one since we used the other one before. We put our URL in and click Run Test. This now goes and looks at the blog HubSpot.com page that we're looking at and attempts to crawl it. Sometimes it does fail, and that may be because this page has been blocked. But we can see here we've got an FAQ page, and we can see that there is Q&As inside of that. It's also a news article type of information. So that's quite a good way to be able to see that content and see what's actually being picked up by the schema checker. Now, once that's been crawled, that will then get picked up and be inside of your Search Console. So here we are on my Search Console, and I can see that I've got 12 valid FAQs here. So that's not individual questions, that's blocks of FAQs around the site. So I'm always wanting to try to increase this, and you can see other types of enhancements here at the side where I've got videos that have been picked up to be crawled and site link search boxes. How-tos is another one that I use a little bit with how-to guides just like this one that you have now, and of course the FAQs and breadcrumbs. So if you're seeing invalid areas here, that will show you that your FAQ has not been picked up for searching and you need to do something about it. Well, I hope you like that tip, and I hope that helps you get the FAQ results that you want for your web pages. Remember, to rank #1, you need to be willing to make the best page on the internet for your given search. Now, if you have any other types of questions or anything like that, leave a comment below and let me know what you want more videos about and what you want to learn about when it comes to WordPress. And I'll see you in the next video.